In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Gann fans in TradingView step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to place it on your chart, and how to fine-tune its look and angles so it's clear and useful for your analysis. First, look to the left side of your TradingView screen and find the toolbar. Click the Drawings or Shapes icon. It looks like a diagonal line with a small square. This opens the drawing tools you'll use for chart annotations. From the drop-down that appears, select Gann Fan. This is the tool that projects angled lines from a single point, helping you visualize potential zones of support and resistance based on price and time balance. Now, click once on your chart to set the starting point for the Gann Fan. It's common to choose a clear swing high or swing low so the fan radiates from a meaningful price reference, but use whatever point best fits your analysis. After you click to anchor that start, drag your cursor to shape the fan. As you drag, you're defining its angle and length. The fan's rays will expand across the chart, so position them so they interact with the area of price action you want to study. When you're happy with the placement, release your mouse to drop the Gann fan on the chart. If you need to adjust it, click on the fan to reveal its handles. Dragging these handles lets you move the anchor point, shift the entire fan, or refine its angles. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how the rays line up with price. For visual customization and precise control over the angles, click the gear icon that appears when the fan is selected. This opens the Settings panel. Here you can change colors for better contrast, switch line styles to make certain rays stand out, and modify the angles to suit your preferred Gann ratios or your chart's scale. Choose colors and thicknesses that remain readable against your chart background so your analysis stays clear. If you decide you no longer need the fan, simply right-click on it and select Remove. That will delete the tool from your chart while leaving the rest of your work intact. That's all you need to draw, adjust, style, and remove a Gann fan in TradingView. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.